Hey everyone, it's Smart Connection AI here, and today we're talking about ChatGPT, the AI tool that's changing how we work and do business. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, AI, that's complicated, but trust me, mastering ChatGPT is just like learning Facebook ads, SEO, or copywriting. It takes practice and testing, but with the right approach, you'll get results faster than you think. In this video, I'm sharing 7 actionable tips to help you unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for your business. Whether you're looking to boost your marketing, streamline your customer service, or just find new creative inspiration, these tips will give you the edge you need to succeed. We're talking about practical strategies you can implement right away, so get ready to take notes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to make ChatGPT your secret weapon for business growth. The first step is simple. Jump right in. Start exploring ChatGPT. Don't be afraid to experiment. Type in anything. Try writing emails, headlines, product descriptions, even blog post ideas. See what it comes up with. You'll quickly discover what ChatGPT can do well and what it can't. Think of it like learning a new software or tool. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. And that's when the real magic starts to happen. Before you start typing away, ask yourself, what do I actually want to achieve with ChatGPT? Are you looking for help with writing marketing copy that converts? Do you need assistance with crafting engaging customer service replies? Or maybe you're seeking fresh, innovative product ideas? Defining your goals up front is crucial. Why? Because clear goals lead to better, more focused prompts, which ultimately give you more accurate and helpful results from ChatGPT. Here's where the fun really begins. Think of prompts as instructions you give to ChatGPT. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's power lies in crafting effective prompts. And the best way to do that? Practice. Play around with different wording, different sentence structures, different tones of voice. Experiment with how you phrase your instructions. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to guide ChatGPT towards generating the results you're looking for. Now let's talk about refining your approach. Don't just look at the outputs ChatGPT generates, analyze them. Ask yourself, did it capture the tone I was going for? Was the output too long-winded, too short? Based on your analysis, tweak your prompts, try again, keep refining. It's an iterative process, and with each iteration, you'll notice the outputs getting closer and closer to your desired outcome. Let's face it. Sometimes ChatGPT will give you outputs that are just plain weird or totally off topic. Don't get discouraged, it's all part of the process. View these imperfect results as valuable feedback. They're telling you something about your prompt. Maybe it was too vague, maybe it was misinterpreted. Use these instances as opportunities to further refine your prompting strategy. Here's a crucial point. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not here to replace you. It's here to augment your skills and enhance your creativity. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, to speed up your research, to help you overcome writer's block. But always remember to inject your own unique voice, your own expertise, and your own personal touch into the final product. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and ChatGPT is no exception. New features are being added all the time. Make it a habit to stay informed about these updates. Follow industry blogs, subscribe to newsletters, join online communities. The more you know about the platform and its capabilities, the more effectively you'll be able to leverage its power to your advantage. So there you have it. 7 actionable tips to help you master ChatGPT and unlock its true potential for your business. Remember, the key is to start experimenting, to keep practicing, and to never stop learning. Commit to practice, test often, and you'll master ChatGPT like any other tool. Just like with any skill, the more you put in, the more you'll get out. For more tips like this, subscribe to Smart Connection AI. Now go out there and make ChatGPT your secret weapon for success.